Let's go make chicken lettuce wrap. So we got the chicken cooking along with the veggies. We got cherry tomato, garlic, onions, and zucchini. And these are my seasons that I use for the chicken. I shredded chicken while I was cooking. It smells so good. So now let's come wash the lettuce and put a wrap together. Let's come make the yummy sauce to go over it. Mayo, ketchup. We're gonna do a pinch of adobo, parsley, and this is the Thai style red curry paste. We're gonna do a like that because it's spicy. I'm gonna do a little barbecue sauce just because the Thai sauce is a little spicy, so this is gonna cut it. And just mix everything so everything is all blended in. So the lettuce all washed and clean. We're gonna start with the base. We're gonna use avocado for the base. Then we're gonna put our meat and veggie. We're gonna add the carrots. A little drizzle of yummy sauce. And there you have it, your lettuce, both lettuce wrap. Simple, healthy Sunday dinner.